to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set travel notices and avoid decline abroad in Barclays UK. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you don't need to set travel notices with Barclays UK. The fraud system monitor for unusual activity and they will contact you via your text message if they suspect a high risk transaction. To ensure you receive these alerts, check that your contact details, particularly your mobile number, are up to date in the Barclays app or online banking. Additionally, you can use the Barclays app to manage card controls, such as turning off in-store international spending to prevent decline abroad. So, to prevent declines and stay informed is the key. You need to update your contact, enable push notifications, manage your card control, be aware of your fees, that is a 2.99% non-sterling transaction fee, and use the app abroad as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.